Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So looking at the FET on the daily chart, we can see a WXY, 3 waves towards the downside, 3 waves towards the upside as ABC, and we are looking for 5 waves towards the downside. Of course, as an expanding flat where you want to see 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Now, in that case scenario where we are looking already for a finished 5 waves in a diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is very possible that this expanded flat has turned into a running flat, which is very common that an expanding flat, when it finishes, of course, 5 waves in the middle of this expanding flat, it has turned it on into a running flat. And when turning an expanding flat to a running flat, it is a very high indication of a market reversal. Therefore, if we were bearish, then we are looking now for a bullish scenario, in case, of course, that this running flat has ended exactly here. In the opposite case, if this is not a running flat, then we are looking possibly to a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 continuation of this expanding flat. However, we were waiting for an indication of a 5 waves towards the upside, and here we go, we got it finally. And we can say that it might have higher possibility that we move up, of course, with this impulse towards the upside. We were looking, of course, now for this retracement towards the upside as a zigzag, possibly at least touching the 0.38 and at least in this time zone in the blue box, which exactly happened in the minimum requirement, where we see a minimum requirement 0.38 and the minimum requirement of time as well has been hit. Now it is very possible that, of course, this wave did not finish yet, where we are looking for 3 waves retracement and then continuation towards the upside. Whether we are in a zigzag, we want to hit almost here 1 to 1, or in case we are impulsive, then we want to see continuation towards the upside. Of course, if we look now at the 1-hour chart, we can see inside the FET on the 1-hour chart that we have finished is this a nice impulse very nicely with an ending diagonal, where we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 5 has finished in an ending diagonal, very beautiful. And then we are going now to see 3 waves towards the downside. Of course, we want to see here continuation. As you can see, this is kind of an impulsive here, where we can see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 possibly, and then we want to see retracement, then another impulse hitting almost in the green box, preferably, of course, for a wave 2, where we want to see, of course, continuation massively and explosively with a wave 3 towards the upside. In a bearish scenario, of course, that this is not an impulse. This could be something else, which it could be an A, B, and a C, where you are looking here for a 3 waves towards the upside, B and a C as a finished diagonal. By all means, this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. And this is a corrective, and it has finished a wave a B or a wave 2, and you are looking for lower prices, as we have shown in the daily. So to see this much more clearly, in the daily, we might have finished a 3-wave corrective after an impulse here, or as a contracting diagonal, which is motive waves, impulsive. So we might see, of course, another diagonal, another impulse, maybe to finish a zigzag, or to finish a higher impulse, or a lower impulse with lower prices. So these are the possibilities of FET. Now the highest possibility, of course, is still so far now, very, very shaky, but I think FET is doing okay in terms of a bullish scenario right now. So far, it did not touch yet the 0.38 even of a retracement, in case we are in a 1, 2 here. So therefore, of course, we still have a long time to range here to say that we are bearish. So once we, of course, break these green boxes, then okay, I would say we are bearish. When we are arranging inside these boxes, the possible bullish scenario are always there, of course, for continuation towards the upside, whether in a zigzag or whether in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because, of course, we are looking to an impulse here. We need a continuation after a correction, whether in a zigzag or in an impulse. So these are the highest possibilities. Of course, we might see a little bit retracement and then move up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.